guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree, and I thought we'd check out the makeup and our personal supplies. Let's take a look, guys. So look at this. I never seen this shaving brush. That's pretty cool. That's very cool. I never seen that. So here we are. Here's all the shaving products, and here's all the power stick products, the beard balm and the aftershave. So we have all of that. Then we have the shaving gel and the pure silk for shaving for women. This I've never seen before, ladies. Dry spray, antiperspirant. So this is antiperspirant, and here it is for the men's. Look at that. Then you have your body powder and your hand cream. So here you have after shower powder, medicated. This one here is medicated. After shower powder and some more shaving stuff, guys. Down here we have our deodorants and our shaving and our shavers. That's pretty awesome. What is this? Mini razor. Guess this is a travel type. I'm not sure, it doesn't say so. But anyways, we come over here. We're gonna look at the moisturizing lotions, which I think is really nice. This one over here is a face mask peel, and it comes in that pomegranate, and this one is cucumber, and this is a mud mask. Where is it? This one right here, mud mask. Then that's the Perfect Color Complex anti-marks for natural color. And I can't get to that back there, that cream back there, but these are clay masks. That's a charcoal mask. I don't know if you could see that. This is a cucumber one, this is their gold one, and this is the retinol. So we have a facial scrub over here. Dermacell has a facial scrub, and they have one moisturizing lotion for eczema relief. That's pretty nice. So they have this one over here for diabetic hydrating lotion. That's nice. And then we have some collagen mask, and what is this one? Retinol mask, and some oil-free acne. Then you have some facial wipes along the bottom here. To try these stencils for the eyebrows. See how that goes. So then we have the nail brushes here, and like the whole manicure pedicure set right there, and it comes in the purple, and this is like a red. And here are the nail brushes in the pink, and there's a green. Then you have this under eye massager, and here's the eyelash curler, and those come in colors. So what is this here? Iridescent lip color. Okay, and that's the setting spray. And I'm loving these nail polishes. So for Sinful Colors, you get a 2-pack. And here's a 2-pack in the ice. So here's eyeshadow loose powder. Okay, in these colors here. They come in many colors. So this here is by Hard Candy, and it's called Dare to Flick. A cat eye approved. This looks really nice. The blackest black. I don't know, I think I should try this. You have the mascara wand brushes, and then you have the nail art nail polish, and then here you have the eyeshadow applicators. Look how many you get. It's a 20 count. Then you have the nail art pen. Isn't that awesome, guys? And here's some more of that loose powder. So this is the makeup brush cleaning mitt. And there's the multi-pack of the brushes, and here's the compact mirror. So here you have some nail files, the Miracle Nail Lip Balm. Then you have the Sassy and Chic Lip Gloss in flavors. Then you have some Q-tips over here, and some cotton swabs, some pads. Now these here, I saw somebody hauling this, Nobleman Active Body. And then this one is Cool Body Cleansing White. And this one is the post-workout. That's nice. So here's the Conceal Perfect. Here's the highlighter. Here's the Conceal Redness. And here you have the e.l.f. Eyeshadow palettes. There's your blush. And here's some nails. So some of this stuff is just randomly placed, but here's some lipsticks from e.l.f. I think they're all the same color. Let's see. And then you have some more here. So here you have that eyeliner pencil, and then here you have the Perfect Blend Concealer. See it? And then you have some eyeshadow palettes here and some nails. And here's a e.l.f. brush, the stipple brush. Here's some eyeshadow, and these are the applicators, the silicone applicators. So then here you have the Wet n Wild glitter eyeshadow. Look at that red, Wet n Wild red. So those are all red. This is Color Mates lips. This is the lipstick with the lip liner. I mean the lip liner and the lipstick. And those come in colors too. I like that. And then you have your Wet n Wild nail polishes right here with the brushes. And down here you have their Sassy and Chic foundation. Here's the brushes, and here's the brow pencils, LA Colors. Here they go in black. It's a double pack. Is this black or brown? This is brown. One is brown and one is black. Here's the black and there's the double black. That's pretty neat. Here's the eyeshadows right here. Then you have the foot file and the brush. And then you have the gel nail polish. Let's see, I was looking for this, for the purple. What is this one? Infused lip gloss. Okay. This is the hydrating lipstick, and those come in colors. Look at this color right here. Frozen berries. And look at this. This is the duo lip gloss and lipstick. That's really nice. And those come in colors. And then here too. And then here's your liquid eyeliner. And there's your bold mascara. But I love looking at this stuff just to see I'm not missing out on anything. So we have this clear top coat, and then we have the velvety finish powder blush. I don't think I seen that. I could have missed it, but. And here's the velvety powder blush. Here's the eyeshadows in this color and this color. I think those are the same. Here the conceal corrects, the pressed powders right here, the highlighter, the bronzer, and here the mascaras, the nail polish. Okay, here we have some more nail polish. Now over here you have the quick dry. I love this super dry, it works great. This over here, this Hazel Fair Remover, that looks painful. But here's the applicator for the eyelashes. And then here you have the nail clipper with the file. Here you have the nail glue, and then the instant pink nail glue right there. Then this is the eye beauty set. This is the nail file with the case. That's pretty neat. And then here you have your nail clippers. So here you have your colors of your nail polishes. I'm still trying to find the right purple color. So you have all of those. Some of them is a 2-pack, some of them is a 3-pack, and they're all name brand. There's a close-up, you have the Colgate, you have the Reach, the Oral-B, okay, Reach, a close-up, the Oral-B. This one here is like for travel. Isn't that nice? The Crest with the toothbrush, that's pretty neat. And then here's the battery-operated one. And here are the toothbrush covers. I don't remember seeing those. And these battery operated one come with the battery. That's pretty neat. Then you have all the kids ones right here. You know what I tried that I thought was really good, guys? The charcoal powder. They have the charcoal toothpaste, which I haven't seen at this Dollar Tree. But I also tried the powder, and I was really liking it. Anyway, here is the oral care. And here is the 4-pack of the toothbrushes, and here's the travel pack for 3. Isn't that nice with the case and everything? Then you have all of your oral care and your flossing and your mouthwash over here. So guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree to scroll through their makeup aisle, and I'll see you in the next video.